Hi everybody, it's Tracy here. I wanted to share with you this really cool idea that I saw on one of my favorite YouTube channels. She likes to organize and create crafts and stuff like that in her home from the buck-and-a-quarter store or ain't a buck no more store or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, this one is super easy and super cool, and I think it would be great for your craft room as well. But you're going to go there and you're going to get at least 2 of these burner cover sets to create this, because you're going to need 2 small ones and 2 large ones. It doesn't matter what it says on it. You're not going to see it. You're going to grab 2 of the 80 count pearl beads and 2 of the 60 count pearl beads. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to take a large lid and put it down. You're going to take your 60 count pearl beads and you're going to pop them in there, and then you're going to put the other large lid on top of it. And then you would do that with the smaller one, only you'd put the 2 packs of the 80 count pearl beads in there and then put the other lid on top of it. And what you end up getting is this awesome idea. And I think it would be really great for like your craft room, for your paints or your buttons or whatever. You could probably use marbles too. And literally that's all you're creating. But I think it'll be so much easier in my kitchen so that we can see what we have, what we don't have, etc. So I wanted to say again, thank you for stopping by, commenting, subbing most definitely, liking, and I hope you all have a fabulous day. Bye.